In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a quiz in Notion using a simple database or page layout. It's a great way to create study questions, practice tests, or team knowledge checks. Let's get started. Open Notion and create a new page. Give it a name that matches your quiz topic. Add a table database or use a regular page. Create properties such as question, answer, category, difficulty, and status to organize your quiz. Enter each question as a new database entry. Add the correct answer inside the page or in an answer property. You can also include hints, explanations, images, or links for each question. If you want to quiz yourself, hide the answer property while reviewing the questions, then reveal it to check your response. You can also create filtered views based on category or difficulty to focus on specific topics. Continue adding new questions over time to build a larger question bank that you can use for studying or sharing with others. That's how to make a quiz in Notion. Thanks for watching.